Hello my friends, so today in this video I will be changing out this window in the braking lever because this one is old, cracked and you cannot see anything. I will be changing it for new one that I bought. If you like the video, subscribe and press the notification bell. Let's do this. First of all, what we have to do is open the reservoir and remove the fluid. This one is a bit damaged, the screw here is damaged, so it will take me some time to get it out. Maybe I will have to drill it. Yes, I will have to change these screws because they are very soft. This is the first one. This one is okay. Have a look. The color. Definitely it will have to be cleaned. Okay, so next step what we'll have to do is get a screwdriver and pry out this old window. Oh, it's already soft, so I will use this screw, make a hole there. And then break it out. See, it's already soft, brittle. There is also an O-ring inside here, so make sure to take out the O-ring as well because you get a new one. So get out the O-ring and now carefully pry out this old ring from inside there. Correct, so I do not scratch this finish. Now I get the whole window out. Once the old window is out, make sure that the insides of the casting is clean before we put new seal there and the new window. So I've cleaned it. Now I put the new seal inside. And now we have to press fit the new window inside there. Okay, seems that it's little big. Okay, this is the finished product. If you like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and follow us in the next videos. Bye.